Alright guys, you Ottawa Scotty here. Just thought I'd make a quick video here. The quality is not going to be that good. I'm using my cell phone, which is pretty crappy, but me and Jayla just stopped by my campsite here, hunt camp, and I'm just chilling in the my 1994 Dutchmen Class A, and this is really only our, I'd say, 4th time coming here. So I'm just kind of checking on things and make sure everything's good. Bathroom's all fogged up because I just turned the heat on, and for some reason there's no heat register in the bathroom. But no, we're having a good time. It's nice and cozy. The heater, the furnace in this motorhome is really nice, and fridge doesn't work just yet, but we're gonna work that. That's gonna be definitely a good You Ottawa Scotty video coming up here. Fridge repair. And Jayla's just chilling on the couch here with Zoe. Jayla's reading her camera book. She just got a new camera, a Nikon D7100, so she's been learning about that, and she's got a couple new lenses. So actually that might help out with the channel. Maybe, who knows, depends on how good she gets.
Yeah, let's try and take a decent picture first, and then we'll talk about your YouTube channel.
Yeah, so yeah, no, everything's good here. Really enjoying the comfort level. It's nice and warm in here, and very spacious, and Jayla really likes it. So yeah, I'm sure there'll be a lot of You Ottawa Scotty videos concerning the various repairs, fix-it things that this motorhome needs. Although there really isn't many. I already fixed the furnace. That was going really good. Everything really works, and I mean, I've got a video of me repairing the front part of this roof, which doesn't leak anymore, fortunately. But I think I'm going to leave it like this over the winter, and then next summer we'll get into some videos we'll start with the fridge, repairing the fridge, and just kind of move on from there.
Ask the people what they want to see, make a video.
And by all means, if there's any questions you guys have, or any videos that you want me to make concerning this, I do have to get the generator going on this as well. But right now we're running off shore power that I installed this summer. There's also a video on my channel which I'll link to that concerns installing the hydro at my camp here. If you're interested, check that out. Anyways, just thought I'd make a quick video here tonight, and we're just chilling out here, really enjoying the RV. So thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by the channel, and hope you all having a good night, good safe night. Keep safe with the COVID, and we'll see you soon. Say bye, Zoe. She's real tired.
Zoe says subscribe.
Alright, we'll see you guys. Whew. Scary out here at the camp. She gets really dark out here. Jesus. Wow.